as per the suggested by the rose tree to the nightingale. She went to the rose tree growing beneath the student's window when the moon started shining in the sky. After going to the rose tree, she did what she was said by the rose tree. She pressed her breast against the thorn of the rose tree and sang all night long. And the moon leaned down to listen the song of the nightingale. All night the nightingale sang, and the thorn went deeper and deeper into her breast. And what did she do? She flowed her lifeblood into the veins of the rose tree. She sang 4 different kinds of songs to the rose tree. What was her first song about? Her first song was about the birth of love in the heart of a boy and a girl. When she started singing her first song, that was of the birth of love in the heart of a boy and a girl, there blossomed a bird on the topmost spray of the rose tree. But it was pale in color at first. But she continued singing her song, petal following petal, as song followed song. But the rose tree, said to the nightingale to press her breast closer against the thorn. The rose tree said to the nightingale, press closer, O little nightingale, press your heart closer against my thorn, or the day will come before the rose is finished. If day will come, I will not be able to grow a red rose at the topmost spring of my branch. She listened what she was said by the rose tree. She pressed her heart against the thorn of the rose tree. The nightingale pressed closer against the thorn. It was giving much pain to the nightingale, so her voice grew louder and louder. Louder and louder grew her song, because she sang of the birth of passion in the soul of a man and a maid. Her second song, what was her second song about? Her second song was about the birth of passion in the soul or in the heart of a man and a maid. Your maid means woman. And a delicate floss, your floss means rush of pink, came into the leaves of the rose tree, like the floss. Floss means here emotion in the face of a bridegroom when he kisses the lips of the bride. But the thorn of the rose tree had not yet reached the heart of the nightingale, so the rose's heart remained white. Because only a nightingale's heart's blood can crimson. Crimson means deep red, the heart of the rose. And the rose tree said to the nightingale, O nightingale, press your breast closer and closer against my thorn. And she did what she was said by the rose tree. So the nightingale pressed closer against the thorn, and the thorn of the rose tree touched the heart of the nightingale. And a furious means terrible, pain means sharp pain, shot through her. It was bitter, it was indeed very terrible. Bitter was the pain, and wilder grew her sorrow, because she said, of the love that is perfected by death, of love that does not die in the tomb. Her third song was about the love that is perfected by death. That is, of the love that dies not, or that does not die in the tomb. And the marvelous rose became deep red in color, like the sun while shining in the eastern sky at dawn or early in the morning. But the nightingale's voice grew fainter, and her little wings began to flap, began to beat, and her eyes became dim. Fainter and fainter grew her song, and she felt something suffocating, something choking her in her throat. Then she gave one last burst of music. That was the last song or final song. What was her fourth song about? Her fourth song or last song was about the last burst of music. The red rose that was already bloomed at the topmost branch of the tree heard the last song of the nightingale, and it trembled. Here it trembled means shook all over ecstasy. Ecstasy means great joy, and opened its petals to the cold morning air. The rose tree was overwhelmed with joy and said to the nightingale, "Oh nightingale, nightingale, look, a marvelous rose has already bloomed at the topmost branch of my tree." But the nightingale gave no answer. It made no reply, because she was already dead, as she had flowed her lifeblood into the veins of the rose tree. Because she was lying, as she could not answer to the rose tree, the rose tree was overwhelmed with joy and wanted to inform the nightingale that a beautiful and marvelous rose has already bloomed at the topmost branch of it. So the rose tree said to the nightingale, look, nightingale, a rose has already bloomed on my topmost branch. But the nightingale made no answer, because she was lying dead in the long grass with the thorn in her breast. This was the reason why she could not give any reply to the rose tree. Now see how the nightingale sacrificed her life for a red rose, only to help the young student, as she took him as a true lover.